This is a DDAmanda analysis of conservative broadcast media and journalism, symbol CBMJ. And these letters actually are short. Conservative broadcast media journalism and journalism. The symbol reflects the name. Now this first caught our attention here, actually on a 200-day low scan here, or actually 100-day low. But then right after that, you had this 117 factor and caught our eye. And this is actually a 200-day high on dollars traded, 132 grand. Not much, but it was for her. So let's just go to news here, and I'm going to push the news button and find out what happened here. So okay, so she had this big day on 122. So what happened there on 122? Okay, so on 122, they announced this General Mike Flynn joined the board. But if you look back a little bit earlier, they actually launched this Patriot.tv streaming content for conservatives on 111. Okay, and it seems to me that the climate is changing in America. I mean, people are sick of all this woke stuff, and a lot of this other crap that's going on. Our guys in Washington are insane. I think we're ready for something like this. But let's look at this news some more here. We got this guy, General Mike Flynn. Now he was on the Trump cabinet, and he's a lieutenant general, retired, and he joined the board of directors. Okay, now this guy has an amazing history. There was some controversy. The FBI set him up when they interviewed him, and then they said he lied or he forgot some things and made some miscomments, and they set up so many guys. But this guy's a really good guy. You know. And anyway, he's a director now. He's well known. He's got a lot of contacts, and I like the fact that he's on board now. And then let's see. And then just today, they brought on this guy Brandon Howes. Now this guy is pretty famous also, and well known and successful. Um, he's the leading voice in public broadcasting. Um, Committed to real news, none of this censorship crap. And it says here when asked why he accepted the challenge, he said it's because his long-standing respect and admiration for General Flynn. Flynn has a lot of connections. I think he's going to bring a lot to this company, believe me. But Brandon had a lot of experience. He was with Mike Lindell here on Lindell TV, and he had his own broadcasting thing also. But you can look him up. He's well known. And let's take a break. But I'm not going to take a break, but I'm going to cut this off because it crashed last time. So I'm going to quit right here, and then we'll resume. Okay, let's continue. So we got Flynn and we got Brandon, two guys that they just brought on board. I wonder who they're going to bring on board next. But let's look at the trading. Now today, the volume bar here is color coded, so you can tell what the buys and sells were. Look at this, 75% buys. Blue is buys, red is sells. So that's impressive here. And then the other thing is our drag ratio, which is a proprietary indicator with DDAmanda, is at 7.5, which means she's 7.5 times more likely to go up than down. At least the resistance, like here, the resistance to her going up is 40. The resistance to her going down is 305. Okay, So it's a lot easier for her to go up than down. And the history here was back on this side. We keep a track of the history. It was kind of negative for a while, but it just switched to real positive. Okay. And the other thing is you have this channel here. Uh, Remember I said bust outs on channels are usually violent? Well, there you go. That's what happened here. People are starting to notice this company. Okay. And right now on social media, we're zero. We're not on the top 50 most read. We're not on breakout boards. But I think this is going to change because, I've been posting on the board and I looked at it and it's getting pretty active. So I imagine we're going to be on breakout boards here pretty quick, which will bring a lot more eyeballs to the stock. And we'll start being on the most read as well. So that's pretty much it. I'm wondering what the next thing is they will release. You know, they're growing. They just started out, and I'm waiting for them to announce that Tucker Carlson is on the board. That would really send her, huh? So anyway, this is a good stock. I'm expecting really good things happening here. Um, let's look at the before I leave, let's look at the share structure real quick. Okay, so here we got 500 authorized, 38 million OS, 7 million float. Okay, and I don't see any dilution here at all. Um, so I guess that's it. Keep an eye on this one. Buy some shares if you want to support conservative values. Pick up a few of these. I want this to really go. I'm tired of all the bullshit myself, and I think most of you also are. And we need this Patriot.tv to put out good news and get us back on track. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good rest of the night. Make money onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.